the much-awaited 10,000 crore rupees IPO is all set to open on 19th November in the primary market for subscription. Employees, institutional, non-institutional, NTPC shareholders, and retail investors will be able to bid from Tuesday, which will be open till 22nd November. Notably, anchor investors can bid on 18th November, Monday. The latest grey market premium, GMP, hints at a tepid listing on BSE and NSE for NTPC Green. The IPO is purely of fresh issue worth 10,000 crore rupees. Hence, there will be no offer for sale, OFS, by selling shareholders. As per NSE data, up to 98 crores 14 lakhs 2,869 equity shares will be offered for subscription. Further, the price band of the IPO is fixed at the lower end of 102 rupees and the upper end of 108 rupees per share. The face value of the equity shares is set at 10 rupees each. There is a discount of 5 rupees per equity share offered to eligible shareholders. Notably, the bid lot size for the IPO is 138 equity shares and in multiples thereof. For retail investors, the maximum amount of investment is 2 lakh rupees. While the maximum subscription amount for eligible employees is 5 lakh rupees. Up to 200 crore rupees worth of shares will be reserved for eligible employees of NTPC Green Energy for subscription. Also, about 1,000 crore rupees worth of shares will be reserved for subscription to those investors who hold shares of NTPC Limited. Further, excluding employee reservation and shareholders' quota, up to 75% of the remaining IPO size will be allocated to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, while 15% of the size will be kept for non-institutional investors, NII. The rest of the 10% of the IPO will be kept for retail individual investors, RII. NTPC Green Energy will launch its IPO for subscription on BSE and NSE on 19th November. Bidding will close on 22nd November 2024. Further, the bidding for anchor investors is scheduled to take place on 18th November, a day before the 100% book-building IPO. NTPC Green Energy IPO GMP, as per Investor Green, NTPC Green Energy IPO last GMP is 1 rupee, last updated 18th November 2024 12:25 p.m. with the price band of 108.00. NTPC Green Energy IPO's estimated listing price is 109 rupees, cap price plus today's GMP. The expected percentage gain loss per share is 0.93%. After the IPO, the basis of allotment of the equity shares will take place on 25th November. Further, shares will be credited to eligible investors' demat accounts or investors who did not get eligible will receive their refunds on 26th November. Tentatively, the listing will most likely take place on November or 27th November. Should you subscribe for NTPC Green Energy IPO? Gaurav Garg, research analyst at Lemon Markets Desk said, in terms of valuation, the IPO is priced aggressively at a PE ratio of 264x as of FY 2024, which is significantly higher than its peers. Further, the aggressive valuation suggests that the IPO may be suited for only investors with a high-risk appetite and investing for long-term, 3 to 5 years. GMP indicates minimal listing gains. The company has commendable growth potential in a growing sector. Its high valuation could pose risks for investors investing with a view of short-term gains, Garg added. Giving an outlook, SMC Global Securities explained that NTPC Green is a renewable energy company focused on expanding its project portfolio through both organic growth and acquisitions. As of 31st August 2024, it had an operational capacity of 3,071 megawatts in solar power and 100 megawatts in wind power across 6 states. Its total portfolio was 14,696 megawatts, comprising 2,925 megawatts of active projects and 11,771 megawatts of contracted and awarded projects. The company had agreements with 15 off-takers across 37 solar and 9 wind projects. However, SMC's note added, NTPC Green's reliance on a small group of utility companies and power purchasers makes it vulnerable to the potential loss or financial instability of these key clients, which could adversely affect its business, financial performance, and overall health. Additionally, the company's success and profitability are heavily dependent on the availability and costs of critical resources such as solar modules, solar cells, wind turbine generators, and other essential equipment for its renewable energy projects. Further, SBI Securities has recommended to subscribe. As per SBI Securities note, at the upper price band of 108 rupees, NTPC Green is valued at FY24 EV/EBITDA of 53.4x on post-issue capital. The company will increase its operational capacity to 6 November 2019 GW by FY25E, FY26E, FY27E respectively from 3.3 gigawatts as of September 24. Bases are back-of-the-envelope calculation. At the upper price band, the issue is priced at FY25E, FY26E, FY27E EV/EBITDA multiple of 35.3x, 18.3x, 10.1x and EV megawatt of 16.8 rupees Cr, 9.0 Cr, 5.1 Cr respectively. SBI's note said, the company has exponential growth potential in the medium term with its revenue EBITDA PAT expected to grow at a CAGR of 79.0%, 117.2%, 123.8% to 11,250 rupees Cr, 9, 563 Cr, 1, 980 Cr respectively over FY24-27E period. We recommend investors to subscribe to the issue at a cut-off price for the long term. NTPC Green Energy Ltd, NGEL, a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Ltd, is the largest renewable energy public sector enterprise, excluding hydro energy, in terms of operating capacity as of September 24 and power generation as of March 24. The company's renewable energy portfolio includes both solar and wind power assets with presence across multiple locations in more than 6 states, which helps in mitigating risk of location-specific generation variability. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.